Ever since the inception of PreRoll, everybody has always been asking for, what is this besides a 15-second commercial? We need to do something other than repurposing our commercial. And whether that be a 15 or a 30, we need to take advantage of the interactive capabilities of the web, the targeting capabilities of the web, and of course that lean forward medium. So after all of these years, I think that we've not just come to the fruition of that, but we've also come to the fruition of we're finally able to reach a very large audience at scale with interactive ad units at no cost to our clients in many different fashions and forms across 3 screens. Our technology allows us to do that. Just about anything that you can do on the web, we're now also able to do on mobile. Again, as a direct result of our technology being embedded into our publisher's players or our publisher's mobile site. With mobile, of course, there's click to play, there's click to interact, there's click to calendar, there's click to book an appointment. There's a number of different features that you can do there. There's click to like, click to Twitter. We have what we call our Innovation Lab, creative services group that are fully prepared to do this for our clients. And it can be a matter, depending upon the scale of the unit, depending upon the interactive capability of the unit, this is something that we can do in a matter of hours if it's simple pre-roll, and we're really just going to have any one of 3 different locations, 3 different destinations that our clients want to use. So if it be Facebook, it be Twitter, it's more information. We can do that in literally a matter of hours, and we can place that inside the video, inside the pre-roll. Depending upon the level of commitment that an advertiser is making to the video industry as a whole, so maybe they want to run this ad across multiple platforms and maybe even on other publishers besides the YuMe network, that's okay. I mean, a certain level of commitment to us, it will depend upon whether this is simple pre-roll, this is ready-made, or this is custom-made. Custom-made certainly is going to take a little more time at our innovation lab, but a simple pre-roll with simple levels of interactivity, not a problem there. I would love to have a conversation with more and more clients about actually building campaigns that were priced on cost per completion. Yeah, I'm certainly ready to make a commitment to that, and I think it's time that the industry addresses that. And on a case-by-case basis, I would love to talk to clients about cost per completion. I think that the cost per thousand is certainly something that the industry has embraced. I don't think that a cost per click is something that really works at a brand level. But knowing that someone has watched your video, has watched your creative all the way through, I think that that's significant, and I think that's very similar to a cost per engagement. I think as an industry, I think there's a lot more video available to the consumer, and I think the consumer has spoken on that. So there's a plethora of opportunity for consumers to go and find that video, wherever they want. If they want it on their mobile phone, if they want it on their tablet, if they want it on the web, and so they've made a great statement about getting that whenever and wherever they want. And I think that we've watched that, and we've wanted to make sure that as we start to reach out to more and more publishers, that the important part to join the YuMe network is to make sure that our software development kit, our technology, is embedded in their players. And when we do that, it's a benefit to the consumer, because we're able to give them the right advertisement at the right place at the right time, and it's a very strong benefit to the publisher as well, because they're going to have certainly a lot more demand on their content. So making sure that content remains free for the consumer, and also that the publisher is able to continue to provide that.